have a super fun, easy science experiment to share with you guys today. So, we read a book yesterday called Planting a Rainbow, and I thought it would be fun to just talk about rainbows. And I know that you all know a lot about rainbows. You know what colors make up a rainbow. So let's talk about those. There are 6 colors in the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Okay? And the rainbow is made up of 3 primary colors. That means that you can't use anything to make those colors. You have to start with those colors to make other colors. And primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. Okay. And then we have secondary colors. Those colors are made from mixing red, blue, and yellow different ways. So when you mix red and blue, who knows what color that you get? You're right, purple. And when you mix yellow and blue, you get green. Awesome, you guys. And when you mix red and yellow, what color do you get? Orange. That's right. So today we are going to talk about colors and a little bit more about science and chemistry. Now, chemistry is when you mix 2 different things together, 2 different substances together, and then when you put those 2 together, you get something new. So you change from one thing to another. That's chemistry. And today we're going to talk about mixing baking soda and vinegar. I know that at a lot of schools, and at the school that I teach at, we love to make volcanoes in our sandbox. We build up the sand really high, and then when the children are all done making the world's biggest volcano, then they get a teacher and we put some baking soda at the top of that volcano and we make it erupt with some fun colored vinegar water. So today we're going to make our own rainbow volcanoes, and I'm going to teach you how. We don't have a sandbox to show you. This is just as fun. So you're going to need this is a muffin tin. You can use a baking dish. You can use a cookie tray. You can use an ice cube tray. And you're going to if you have a baking tray, you're going to pour the baking soda all over the top. If you have a muffin tin like me, you're going to fill up some of the spaces with some baking soda. So you're going to need baking soda. You're going to need the muffin tin tray or some sort of container or a cookie sheet. You're going to need some glass, plastic bowls or cups. Okay. You're going to need water. You're going to need vinegar. And you're going to need food coloring. I'm very sad today about my food coloring though, because I'm missing one of the primary colors. So I won't be able to show you all the color mixing. So first, you pour your baking soda on your tray or in your container. Then, with an adult's help, you're going to pour some vinegar in your cups, maybe 1/3 or 1/2 of a cup of vinegar in each one. Then you're going to do the same with some water, equal parts. Doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, this is science. we are having an experiment and we're going to see what happens. Okay. Then you are going to put in a few drops of, I'm going to do 3, 2, 3, a few drops of food coloring into each of your bowls or cups. I have green and red and blue. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We're going to let those mix up. I have in my hand an eyedropper. If you don't have one of these, you can use a turkey baster. Your mom and dad or grandma or grandpa will know what that is. You can use an old medicine syringe. You can ask your mom or dad if they have one from when maybe you were sick and you had to take some medicine. They can get it nice and clean for you to use. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to see what happens when you squirt the colored vinegar water onto the baking soda. Okay, so I'm going to move this a little bit closer so you guys can see. And I'm going to start with some red, and I'm going to squirt it on top. It's probably hard to see. Let's put some blue on there. It's bubbling up, okay? What's happening is not only are the colors mixing, but we're getting a chemical reaction. We're taking vinegar and water, and when they mix together with the baking soda, we get carbon dioxide, okay? Which is a type of gas. And you can mix these colors. So we've got red, and we've got blue. Okay? And we're going to get purple. So you can try this at home. I'm going to get my camera and bring it up close so I can show you what it looks like. Okay? Make sure you drop pictures below and let me know how it went. Let me know if it was fun and exciting and what colors you got to mix. You can get every color in between primary and secondary colors. Light blues and lavenders and lemon colors. So drop a picture below or a video and show me, okay? Bye.